Hey everyone! If you're working with a team, assigning tasks in Asana helps everyone know exactly what they're responsible for. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to assign tasks in Asana step by step. First, sign in to your Asana account and open the project that contains the task you want to assign. Next, click on the task to open its details. This is where you can manage everything related to that task. Now find the assignee field and click on it. A list of your teammates will appear, allowing you to choose the right person for the job. After that, select the team member you want to assign the task to. The assignment is saved automatically once you make your selection, so set a due date if one hasn't been added already. This helps the assignee understand when the task should be completed. Next, if necessary, add a description, attachments, comments, or subtasks so the assigned person has all the information they need. Finally, notify your teammate if needed, and they can start working on the task directly from their Asana dashboard or inbox. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully assigned a task in Asana. Now your team can stay organized, collaborate more effectively, and keep projects moving forward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.